Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for April 25th, 2024. It is 11:20 and the SPX is trading lower, down 1.3% to 5,006. It is bearish out here this morning, there's no disputing that. A large gap to the downside in response to tech earnings post-market yesterday and some economic data out here this morning pre-market. So I'm not going to dig into that data. We are concerned about the market reaction, and it was most certainly negative. So equities down across the board, volatility catching a bid, VIX now up plus 6% around that 17 handle. Now the SPX is holding up here. We really haven't gone anywhere in the cash market, holding around that 5,000 handle. But if we do see further weakness, the next major support is ES 5000, 49.65, followed by 49.50, which is quite sizable gamma support. Additionally, it is the low from last week, so pretty critical. As far as the upside goes, there's a lot of work to be done. The first resistance zone is about 50.20. That is the implied low, followed by 50.25. So that would be our first zone. But major resistance shows up here at 50.50. So that's about 40 points to the upside from where we currently sit. Now, it is definitely bearish, not only reflected in price action, but internals. Very one-sided, most notably ADD negative 1900. So a lot of stocks are trading on a downtick, sectors right across the board. But is the move overdone? I personally are not a fan trading these days. I find them a little bit more challenging because if you're going to be shorting here, particularly in the AM, it's a bit of a chase, right? Because that move has already happened in the post-market. And if you want to buy the dip, it is clearly counter trend. With that said, I did buy the dip here this morning, just below the 5,000 put wall. So I am technically positioned long at this juncture, being a little bit more defensive in my management, but so far it continues to look good. If we do get a decent bounce, we get into overbought territory, as long as signals remain bearish, I may look at shorting that, but my gut at this juncture is telling me that the low is in for the day and we may be moving higher. But anyways, we'll see what happens. I do not have a crystal ball, but I am positioned long at this juncture. Okay, guys, if you want to join the team, you want to learn a process on how to form a directional bias, a view on volatility, how to time entries, exits, you want to learn our setups, visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.